Due to my inexperience of filming and whatever, that's why Ginge is usually that side of the camera. About 12 months ago, I've got a confession to make because I forgot to do an intro.
No, you forgot to do the outro on that one.
Sorry, correction. See, I can't even get that bit right. So basically, I cocked it up. I fixed his seatbelt on the passenger side because we had a fault. 12 months later, guess what? Got the same bloody problem. In here, there's basically like 3 prongs that are like that-ish. In there, sort of this way. So as your seatbelt clip goes in, it pushes the clips. Well, it's broken off. I don't know if you can see down there. See that red bit? I'm not supposed to be there. But that red bit there, it's supposed to be in this bit here. Which makes, see? And it comes back up. But unfortunately, that still works, but it wouldn't pass an MOT. And as he's due an MOT, which we need in this country to keep our cars on the road, that does not class as a working item. So Ginge has been and bought himself from Sims of Darlington. No sponsorship, fully paid for. However, if they would like to supply us parts in the future, paid full retail price, whatever he's paid for it on the old Fleabay.
I can't even remember. From their website.
Oh, sorry, from their website. He didn't get it from Fleabay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off, put that on and screw that on there.
Seems simple enough.
Right. All hell's about to break loose. Disconnect the battery. Don't forget, standing joke.
Driving.
It's supposed to bloody pop open. I know it pops open. Thank you. Right, we didn't need a screwdriver, just need to poke my big fingers behind it. It does work better with a screwdriver. Which then enables us to get this bit off. Spare part, anybody?
Which enables you to actually get the bloody thing you need.
So now we can get in here. And then, yeah, about that. I think I'm going to need a hammer. I've got myself a small hammer. I'll get him from the back.
Yeah, maybe get in the back and
right,
gentle persuader.
Actually, that's probably doing it up, isn't it?
Yeah, you probably would it the other way.
I was going to say, I think I've gone the wrong way.
Good thing it was broke.
There you go.
Hey.
Right. I hope you remember.
So for future reference, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I don't know if Lucy's looking a bit lefty or what. Right. I hope you remember the torque wrench setting for that.
Which we can barely see, but yeah.
Goes through this clip, which I've just unclipped. Clip there. And then it goes under your seat. There's a cable. Right, then pull this from under there, pull that there.
Pull it round that way.
Got that to come off. Doesn't know it was meant to come off like that, but it has done. Yeah, not another fiddly job, but you know, pterodactyl hands are required.
We only do fiddly jobs, come on.
Yeah. Now for the good one. So what I need to do now is obviously put that in there, feed that through there, bish bash bosh. So.
Head in a shot.
Head in the shot.
Take a shot every time I say head in a shot.
Fucking car coming. It's worse than bloody playing bally on the street. Right, head in the shot. I'll stick that in there first. So I'll just.
Will it not be easier to pass the cable through first?
I was just going to pass the cable
underneath.
Through there like that. Come on! Wasn't this much trouble on the other side? And get that so it sits on there properly. Because the bolt, I don't know if you noticed, I'll take it back out a bit. Oh, that's unfair, I'll take it all the way out, sod it. It's something I should have pointed out. The bolt's got a seat here. Yeah, you got the thread, then the seat. The seat has got to sit square on, so if you don't catch it and it catches like that, it's no good. It's got to be completely into the hole. Right.
Losing focus because it's focusing on the bump in my jeans.
Right. That's as finger tight as I can get that. That then needs to go down through there.
Down under there.
Down under here. Round the houses. So that empty connector down there, you've got the two yellow wires, and then you've got that one at the back. That connector, which is poking back that way, needs to go in there. I'll bring you back in a minute. Don't know if this is coming out, but the too busy focusing on the bloody carpet, isn't it? Maybe like that'll be better. That white connector behind the yellow one is the new lead, and then I've re-cable tied it all up there, trying to keep it tidy and out of the way so it's not caught up when you're rooting underneath for stuff. Just put them out the way, turn the torch off. Is now torque this up to what was the torque settings?
Not a clue. Bit more.
This is what I was saying about that thing's got to fit just right. It's
not flush.
Too loose. That shouldn't be that loose. No.
That isn't the bolt thing, is it? What is it an issue with them?
I don't know. That's what I need to have a look at. Right, I don't think it's anything to do with Sims, but I did notice when I plugged it in that the plug for the seatbelt, if I get the old one, the two pins that are in there were slightly skew with, so I had to gently persuade them down into a straight line like that. However, also, wherever they're getting the parts from, which they're sold as genuine Suzuki parts, so I'm presuming that Suzuki have dropped a goolie on this. This is slightly thicker than the one that we're putting in, and I mean it's marginally. I don't know if you can really see
on the camera, just about.
Can you? I don't know if you can make that out.
Yeah, just about.
But it is marginally thinner. So again, it's nothing against Sims themselves, so just putting it out there. It's obviously something that's factory doings. So, good old reliable washer.
Or maybe I've bought for a Nimmer Alto. Maybe the Nimmer Altos have some thinner ones, you never know.
Yeah, Ginge could have knacked up. Put the wrong bloody year in.
Didn't put a year in.
Oh, there you go. I rest my case, so it's probably nothing to do with Sims and nothing to do with Suzuki. It's just rubber nut. Right, I can't see chuff all because the cameraman's got his bloody head in my way. Makes a change.
Makes a change.
Makes a change. It's usually the other way around. Right. Now I've lost the chuff and spanner. That's a 13.
Where's the 14 gone? Up on the top? No,
That's a 17.
You sat on it.
Right, this hopefully is going to do the job. No, it's still not. It can't be that much different, surely. Because of the issue of the thickness,
Yeah.
as I was pointing out before, the bolt that goes in, it's got a bit of a collar. So my finger's the bolt. It's got that collar that I pointed out, but that's fitted up to the collar. So you're still getting the wobble factor. Yeah?
Yeah.
So what I've had to do is take a rubber washer, put that on, and then thinged the gap. Whereas before, without the rubber washer, it was still leaving you the gap, which was enabling you to do this. So now that I've done that explanation, I shall tighten this up. And this is only hand tight at the moment, as you can see. But you see, dimmy your wobble.
Well, much less.
Well, no, you'll get that. That's the whole thing flexing. There, that's your torque setting. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is where we find out the bloody seatbelt don't work then.
So, moment of truth. Click that in there.
Seatbelt in.
Very nice. And
Seatbelt release.
hey.
So, it was a bit long-winded, but we got there. And on that note, without my gogs, I think you're over here somewhere. I'll see thee.